So guys, it's a costume jeweler. I'm in a antique store in Oklahoma. The manager has lots of jewelry he resells, but he gave me a big box of jewelry to go through. So you have the option of buying this for one price, or I can go through here as quickly as possible and figure out what pieces I want. So what I'm trying to do is figure out what pieces I want, so I'm not taking this all back in case it's not resellable. Look at that. In memory of those who lost their lives. It's a beautiful pendant. So far I have this pile right here. I started the video and then it went out, so I had to restart it. But again, you have the option of buying this entire box, or you can go through it and figure out what pieces you want. So that's what I'm doing right here. So on the first video, which we'll call part 1, you're going to see a lot of things that I found, such as this. So we'll call the videos part 1 and part 2. That way you guys know that they're from the same antiquing adventure. So this is missing some beads, but that's still a great piece. I don't know what I would do with it. Not sure if it's branded. So I'm just trying to quickly go through this because they close pretty soon. So these are little bitty frogs. So yeah, this is a big box, but it would be very hard to take all of this back to Florida. So I'm not sure what these are called. But they're plastic, acrylic, not plastic. The fancy word is acrylic. They're acrylic. So yeah, this is part 2 of the video, and I'll post part 1 also because I messed it up. These are kind of different. These earrings are not designer marked, but I'm going to get those too. 24 karat gold over surgical steel. And these earrings have a flower on them. They're small, they're like 1/2 inch diameter. I don't know if they're sterling. These look like they're made out of shells. Oh, these are Puerto Rican fish scales. So these are fish scale earrings, guys. That's different. Sarah brooch and earrings. Look at these earrings, guys. These are shepherd hook earrings. Look at that. Sarah clip-on earrings. Here's an old keychain. Jordache earrings. New York, Paris, Milan. Looks like a thermoset bracelet. Not sure what this bracelet's called. It's missing a few of the CZs, but it's different. Cameo earrings. Surgical steel post. Very nice. Gonna get these. Sarah clip-on earrings. This is marked Roma in the back. I'm gonna get it. Somebody can repurpose that pendant and put something in the center. Braided copper bracelet. This is kind of different. Looks to be vintage, so this is worth getting for resale. It's called the Versatile Chain. I love the packaging. Another fish scale pendant. This is made out of fish scales from Puerto Rico. Isn't that cool? So that's made out of fish scales. Vintage photo locket. More Sarah earrings. Vintage bird earrings, guys. Look at that. Those are cute, still great condition, new condition, probably the 60s, 70s. So here's a pendant necklace, tassel pendant. These may be sterling, not sure. It's a pretty brooch. We're running a little bit fast now because they're closing soon. This is a butterfly pendant. Vintage Avon bracelet. Hummingbird brooch. Not sure if it's designer signed. I don't see anything on the back of it. Kind of retro clear earrings. More Sarah Cove. Looks like a brooch locket. It is a brooch locket. Cute fish earrings. These are red flying fish. We know all about those red flying fish. Lindenwold Jewelers earrings, pierced. Crazy stretch bracelet. Look at that. You guys know I love fun earrings. These are heavy metal. Shepherd's hook. Look at these. Those are awesome. Cute gold tone horse pendant. Our brooch, it's gold tone. It doesn't look like it here, but it's not faded. This is probably going to be a costume jeweler's piece. It's a clown riding a bike. I love that. Vintage heart brooch. Missing one of the pearls, but I might get that anyway. Somebody can repair that. Hair clip. Vintage brooch, and the missing stones are in the bag with it, so that could be repairable. Beautiful brooch here. Look at that. Pretty leaf brooch with a ruby type stone, not designer marked. We're gonna get it. We're getting pretty close to the end of this box, so we will not do a recap at the end of this, but everything you see like this I'm getting. This is my pile so far. So getting these. Bow tie brooch, that's cute. Single clip-on earring, no match. Locket. And pink rose flower brooch. Looks like here's the designer of that. Giovanni. So that's a Giovanni rose brooch. How appropriate. So this is an Aries coin bracelet. And that is my sign right there. That's awesome. A second one. Very nice. Wish I could find the match to this. It's abalone shell. It's probably sterling. Yes, it is. It's marked sterling. Look, that's an umbrella. And there's not a matching earring. Not a match to this one either. So this is a sheriff earring with a rope. But no match, but I'm still going to get it. These are definitely keepers also. Brooches. That looks like it has a diamond in it. Not sure if it's real or not, but we'll check it later. Great rhinestone brooches. Lisa, Jesus, and Joy. Pierced enamel boot earrings. These are about 1 inch diameter. A vintage hairpin. Not acrylic, these are rhinestone. Trifari clip-on earrings. And another cameo brooch with genuine diamond. Guardian angel pin. Keychain with a mirror. This is Patsy Cline. No, that's not Patsy Cline. That's just a Coca-Cola. I'm so bad, but that's cute. Huge, probably 1 inch by 1 inch pierced watermelon earrings. These are absolutely beautiful. These are pretty. Very pretty rhinestones. You can't see them that well in the plastic, but they're beautiful. Morgan Taylor pierced earrings. Not sure what vintage necklace this is. It's heavy. I don't see any marks. So I found the missing one right there on the left. These are vintage screwback earrings. Some of these are clip-on, but look how pretty those are. Especially the blue ones right there in the front. They're screwback. No designer mark though. Very old brooch with missing rhinestones. So this is a black bracelet with gold trim, and it says genuine lucite on there. I'm going to get that one. These are vintage leaf clip-on earrings. I can't tell the mark on the back, but I'm going to get these. So we got down to the bottom of this box. You could buy the whole box for a certain price, or you could dig through and pick out things you want and then have them price it for you, which is what I did. So I'm not buying this entire box. So what we're going to do now is see how much it's going to cost me. This pile right here is all the items I'm buying though. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on YouTube, and we will see you guys in the next live or buy it now, sell, or video.